In this video, we will discuss some of the best software for students to enhance their productivity and make their academic life easier. Grammarly is a writing assistant tool that checks your grammar, punctuation and spelling mistakes. It can also suggest better sentence structure and vocabulary. Trello is a task management tool that helps you keep track of your assignments, deadlines and progress. It's a great tool for students who struggle to stay organized. Google Docs is a cloud-based tool that allows you to work on documents, presentations and spreadsheets with others in real time. It's perfect for group projects and assignments. Forest is an app that helps you stay focused by gamifying productivity. It tracks the time you spend on tasks and rewards you with a virtual tree. If you leave the app, the tree dies, encouraging you to stay focused. Notion is an all-in-one workspace that allows you to create to-do lists, notes and calendars in one place. It's perfect for students who like to customize their production system. Calendly is a scheduling tool that allows others to book meetings with you without the hassle of back-and-forth emails. It's a great tool for students who need to schedule meetings with professors or classmates. Snap Timer is a timer tool that allows you to set multiple timers at once, making it easy to keep track of your study sessions and breaks. Prezi is a presentation tool that allows you to create dynamic and engaging presentations. Its unique zooming feature makes for a more interactive viewing experience. Snagit. It is a tool that allows you to capture and annotate screenshots. It's useful for students who need to take screenshots of lectures or textbooks for studying purposes. We hope you found this video helpful in discovering new software that can boost your productivity as a student. Remember, with the right tools and mindset, anything is possible. Stay tuned for more such videos. Like, share and subscribe for more.